In this tutorial, I'll show you how to move files from one Google Drive to another. By the end, you'll have your files and folders successfully transferred from a source Google Drive account to a different Google Drive account using two straightforward methods. First, method 1, share and copy. Open the source Google Drive. On the Drive homepage, make sure you're in the account that currently holds the files. Select the files and folders you want to move by clicking them. You can select multiple items if needed. Click Share at the top or right-click and choose Share. In the sharing window, add the email address of the new Google Drive account. Set the permission to editor so the new account can create copies. This only grants access. It doesn't remove anything from the source, so it's safe. Now switch to the new account. In that account's Google Drive, open Shared with Me from the left sidebar to see the items you just shared. Right-click a file or folder and choose Make a Copy. Drive creates a duplicate owned by the new account. You'll see Copy of in the name to confirm it worked. Move the copy to My Drive so it sits in your main drive area. You can drag it to My Drive on the left or use the Move option to place it where you want. Repeat making copies for all the shared items you need. Once that's done, your copies are now in the new account's My Drive. Next, method 2, download and upload. Download files from the old drive. In the source account, select the files or a folder you want. Right-click and choose Download. If you see a progress indicator, let the download complete before moving on. Then log into the new drive. Open drive.google.com and confirm you're in the destination account. Click New in the top left, then choose File Upload or Folder Upload depending on what you downloaded. In the file picker, select the items you downloaded and start the upload. Keep the tab open until the upload finishes. You'll see upload status in the bottom right, and once it's done, the files will appear in your My Drive. To recap on screen, method 1 shares from the source, then copies into the new account from Shared with Me, and moves the copies into My Drive. Method 2 downloads from the old drive, logs into the new drive, then uploads using new arrow file upload or a folder upload. Follow the method that fits your situation and repeat the steps for all the content you want to move. At this point, the transfer is complete, and your files are now available in the new Google Drive account and working as expected. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.